Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you like my videos, please give me the thumbs up. Check out my other videos on YouTube. Today I'm going to be unboxing the King's 7-inch lethal driving lights. These are a fairly new model driving light. They've just bought out. I've been looking at the laser driving lights for quite a while, and these ones came out. So I thought, look, I'll grab them both. So I ordered both sets of driving lights. I've chosen the 7-inch driving light because that's what will fit inside my bull bar on my car. And these seem to have pretty good specs. So let's have a look at it. And what I'm going to be doing is comparing these lights. So keep an eye out for that video. I'm going to be comparing the 7-inch lethals with the 7-inch laser driving lights and the 7-inch eBay lights that are on my car. So keep an eye out for that video. So first impressions of the box, courier label here. Well, they've stuck it here. Doesn't really matter. Now, it is a little bit sealed here to get into. So let's get into it and have a look. Okay, so inside we have two smaller boxes. We'll take one of those out. We'll put the other one to the side here. Open that one in a minute. Okay, now they are a fairly weighty light. So from getting them from the post office, they seem like they're fairly reasonable. So well packed, good bit of foam. Now the lights come with a 24-month warranty. Full 24-month warranty from date of purchase against all manufacturing defects. So we put that somewhere safe. A little bag with screws and things you need to bolt your light up. Allen key for adjustments. Now lights are nicely wrapped. Now the first thing I find that is quite interesting, there is no cable comes with this light. It's a plug straight into the back of the light, which I'm guessing and hoping connects to the King's wiring harness. So that foam can come out. Now they have little nutserts in there to lock up your mounts, which looks really strong and rugged. They look like they could only be chromed. Be interesting to see if they rust. I mean only tinned, not chromed. Overall, looking at it, it's got an interesting pattern. It looks like a very rugged light. A lot of cooling fins on the back. They do have the blue Kings in it. So I'm not sure. I'll see which ones look best on my car because I'm doing the comparison of these later on with the lasers. So we'll sit that there. And let's open up the other one. Again, we have a warranty card. So 1 warranty per light. I like that idea. Our little bag of bits. And once again, now they do look like a fairly snazzy looking light. I'm going to use the word snazzy if I can. I just noticed on this one, on the side, each side, and you'll see when I do a closer shot, they have what appears to be a flood pattern in the deep things of the LED, in the reflector surface there. So it will be very interesting to hook these up, and I'm going to be hooking them up on a bar, not on the front of my four-wheel drive. I'm going to hook them up in pairs, and we'll do a big comparison on all of them. So there you have it, 7-inch lethal driving light. We have the warranty, and we have the nuts and bolts. The light itself looks fairly rugged. You can see on the left and the right the flood reflectors. So you can see in there, they're the flood reflectors, and then they're spot reflectors. No cable on the back of the 7-inch lethal, only a plug. Well, there you have it, the unboxing of the King's 7-inch lethal driving light. Keep an eye out for the video where I do the comparison on these lights. I'm interested to see what comes up best and what looks best on the front of my car. That comes down to personal opinion. If you like my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button. Guys, if you see me around, see Black Llama on the back of my car, make sure you come up and say hi. Always interested to talk to you guys. Have fun out there 4-wheel driving.